who have successfully completed 13 months of rigorous professional training.
Our prison staff training college, at the moment, we are able to accommodate the training of fresh recruits and perhaps the officer cadets. Up to inspector level, we have facilities for training. But above the rank of inspector, we intend to introduce programs, leadership programs that will help us generate the rightful command and ensure there is proper succession management in the Kenyan Prison Service so that a constable who joins the service is able to look forward to becoming a Commissioner General because there is career progression and succession management. I want to thank you once more for coming and allow